Assalamualaikum. My name is Amna.
My name is Dua.
My name is Pari.
We study in class 10.
In Government Girls High School Second.
We live in Pakistan from Hyderabad in district Material,
We are very excited to share our presentation with you.
and we hope you like it.
Hey guys, so for our school project, we are focusing on SDG 50 Theme Number 2, which is all about conserving life on land. It covers important topics like protecting endangered species, preventing land degradation, and promoting ecotourism. I think we should break down these points and discuss what we can do. Where do you think we should start?
One of the biggest challenges is the extinctions of many species. The United Nations researching said that over 1 million species at risk of extinctions. Endangered animals like tigers, elephants, and lions are losing their habitats because of deforestation, hunting, and climate change. Do you think there are some ways we can help protect these species?
Yes, there are some ways like creating wildlife sanctuaries and national parks. Second is enforcing laws against poaching. Third is supporting breeding programs to help restore population. Fourth is raising awareness through education campaigns.
We can also support local communities who live near forests so they protect animals instead of hunting them. Governments need to work with these communities, right?
Right.
Another mitigation is land degradation, where deforestation, overgrazing, and pollution are making land unusable. UN research said it affects more than 3.2 billion people. This can lead to desertification and loss to fertile soil. What step do you think can help prevent this?
One solution is reforesting, planting trees to restore lost forests. We can also promote sustainable farming practices to stop soil erosion. Do you think educating farmers about these practices help?
Definitely. Using crop rotation, avoiding overgrazing, and practicing agroforestry, where trees and crops are grown together, can improve soil quality. Government would also in soil conservation programs.
Promoting ecotourism. Ecotourism is another way to protect ecosystem. It encourages people to visit natural areas in a way that does not harm to environment. Tourists get to enjoy wildlife and to make money from the tourists. Supporters conservation efforts. What do you think about the role of conservation?
Exactly. Responsible tourism is a key. Local communities can benefit economically too by getting jobs or as guides or offering local products. It's a win-win if it's done correctly.
To address the problems shown in the model, to store issues like deforestation and local degradation and sustainable land use practices are essential. Promoting ecotourism and enforcing environment policies can help protect ecosystem while communities' involvement is key to long-term conservation.
That was our topic.
Thank you.
The idea behind selecting this theme because it is essential to protect the land-based habitats that support diverse species including humans. Healthy ecosystems provide vital services like clean air, water, food and climate regulation.
This topic is important because the destruction of these ecosystems due to the human activities threatens biodiversity and our own future. By conserving this ecosystem, we ensure the survival of wildlife and maintain the natural resource that we depend on for our well-being.